Everyone! Today is going to be a very special workout. I'm doing a tribute workout to Millionaire Hoy, who is trying to raise money so he can continue his channel. I'll put the link in the description. Be sure to go donate so he can stay on YouTube. He's one of the people that inspired me to start my channel. So, thanks Millionaire Hoy. Hope you get enough money to stay on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to this week's workout. This week we're going to be doing a 45-minute workout. It's going to be cardio based and it's going to be in the style of Millionaire Hoy. So get ready for that. Starting out with our warm-up. Let me make sure this is loud enough. Not loud enough. Okay, for real this time. Starting out with our warm-up, starting with high jump. Here we go. Next, we're going to go to a jog. Millionaire Hoy's warm-ups are a lot longer than mine. And he does stretching in the beginning. So, check him out. Alright, jog it out. After this, we're going to do some jumping jacks. Also, Millionaire Hoy can talk all through his workout. It's amazing. Keeps you distracted though. I can't do that. I'm silent. Jacks. And for the last part of our warm-up, we're going to be doing some high knees. 5 seconds. Here we go. Drive your knees up. Swing your arms. Core tight. Almost there. Good job. Alright, so get water, a towel, some weights. I'm using 10 pounds. And come right back for this awesome workout. Okay, so first set, 10 minutes. They're all 10 minutes. You only go through them once. And I wrote it kind of small. Hopefully I won't mess up. Starting out with lunge sprints. So 8 high knees, 4 lunges. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Make sure your knees aren't going over your toes. Almost there. Okay, jack press ups, so get your weights. So you're going to press up, arms, core tight. Don't arch your back. Seconds. Keep it coming. Running out your shoulders. Almost there. Great job. All right. 90-degree squats. So we're going to do a squat jump 3 ways. Chest stays lifted, butt goes back. Knees stay behind your toes. 15. Great job. All right, crisscross tucks. So 4 crisscrosses, 4 tucks. 1, 3. Halfway. Great job. Okay, 180 half burpee with a clean and press. So, turn the other way. Whoops. Turn. Seconds. Awesome job. Okay, duck lunges. Quintessential millionaire Hoi move. Going 4 over, 4 back. Less than 20. 10. Good job. All right, 8 high knees, 8 mountain climbers. Level 1 drill. 20 seconds. Great job. What's next? Curtsy hops, or curtsy lunges with a curl. Alternating sides. Breathe. Now's your chance to catch your breath. 20 seconds. Almost there. Awesome job. Okay, back lunge with a curl, side squat. Stay on the right. Side squat, front raise. What was that? Less than 20. Same thing, other side. Back lunge curl. Side squat. Front raise. Seconds. Stay strong. 10. Good job. Okay. That was the end of the first set. We'll be right back for set 2. Okay, next up is elevator jacks. So we're going to go down to the bottom, 4 low jacks, back up, 2, 3, 4. Now stay down here for 4, 2, 3, 4. Now you can go back up slowly, 1, 2, 3, 1 at the top. Now back down, 2, 3, 4. Stay down here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now up. Just lifted. 10 seconds. Great job. Okay, traffic directors. Alternating sides. Straight back. Core tight. Lunge far enough that your toes are in front of your knees. Less than 10. Great job. All right. Around the world, heel clicks. Okay. Jump forward, heel click. Quads on fire. 20 seconds. You're doing awesome. Keep it up. Great job. Okay. 4 jugglers, 4 jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, 4 jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1 juggler is the complete set. High knees with the toe touch. Almost there. That went fast. Great job. Okay. Where are we? Plank row. So, 3-way jump. 1, 2, 3-way frogger. Row both sides. 1, 2, 3. Hold that plank position. Keep your hips steady. You're not twisting. Fifteen seconds. Almost there. Made it. All right. Drain bow right and drain bow left. So deep side lunge. Bring the weights up overhead. Be sure you're sending your hips back. Butt goes back, hinging at your hips, not bending over. Your chest should stay lifted. Fifteen seconds. Good job. Same thing, other side. try. Stay strong. 15. Last one. Oh, great job. Okay. Half burpee, three-way frogger. 180 turn. Work those abs. 15. Good job. Mountain jump lunges. So 3 wide mountain climbers, jump up. Plyo jump lunge, I guess I should say. Or plyo. I don't know. Do what I do, not as I say. Seconds. Keep pushing. Almost there. Great job. Okay, typewriters right, typewriters left to finish out this set. So, narrow squat, medium squat, wide squat, come back in. It burns! Seconds. Ten. You can do it. Almost there. Great. Shake your legs out really quick. Same thing other side. Here we go. Halfway. I'm right there with you. 10 seconds. Finish it off. Good job. All right, that was set 2. Get a drink, towel off, come back for set 3. Okay, for set 3, we're starting out with 80-20 squat jumps, 4 each side with a half burpee. 2, 3, 4, half burpee, switch. So, 80% of the weight in your front leg, 20% in your back leg. 20 seconds. Nice job. Okay, next thing, 3 torque walks, 3 squats and presses. So, 3 torque walks over, 2, wait, that was 1, 2, 3, now squat and press 3 times. Same thing other way. So it's a step and a bounce. 20 seconds. Stay low. As low as we can. Okay. Nice job. Okay. Where are we? Jump lunges. Good old-fashioned jump lunges. Stay strong. Chest lifted. Shoulders back. Legs dying. Halfway. Five. Nice job. Fast feet with squat jacks. So we're gonna go in, out, squat jacks. Keep it low. 2, 3, 4, 4 squat jacks. 2, 3, 4. 20 seconds. Oh, it kills. Almost there. Oh. Okay. Side squat with a shoulder press. Side to side. Hips go back. Chest stays lifted. Deep squat. My squats never look as deep as I feel like I'm going when I watch the video back. Almost there. Last one. Good job. Okay, 2 plank hops, 2 rows, 2 jump squats. So, row, row, bring it up, jump squat, Mountain tappers. Working your abs. Keep your butt low. Or, you know, in line with your back. Halfway. Ten. Almost there. Oh, you made it. Okay. Now what? Back clap squats. So, squat forward, touch down. This is the quintessential millionaire Hoy move. Are you feeling it? Less than 20. 10. Oh, yes. Okay. After that, back lunge kick up with a curl. Staying on the right. Kick. Twenty seconds. Keep it up. Good job. Oh my gosh. Same thing other side. Halfway. I feel like this set went really fast. 15. Keep going. You're almost there. Good job. All right. That was the end. Set 3, come right back for set 4. All right, starting off set 4 with 3 side squats, 8 sprints. Let's go. And we're moving that way. 2, 3, 8 sprints. Go back. Less than 20. remember which one you picked up with first, then you're picking up with that one next round. Now starting on the left, pick up. Going. Oh, great job. Half burpee, tuck, jump. Sounds lovely. More than halfway. 15. Less than 10. Good job. Twist lunges. Dead legs. Did everything. Halfway. Less than 20. 10. Nice job. Okay, you know what? Halo squats. So, bring them down, swing them right, now go the other way. Don't arch your back. You're not going behind your head. Just up. So your arms are straight up, then back down. Seconds. 10. Great job. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ab half burpee. So you're going third of the way in, halfway, all the way in. Jump up. Seconds. 10. Awesome job. Okay, cheerleaders. Staying on the right. So, then side lunge. I might not be doing these exactly how he does them. Less than 20. I kind of forgot exactly what he does. Nice job. Same thing other side. Shake your legs out. Get ready. Here we go. Halfway. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Less than 10. You got this. Nice job. Okay. Diamond jumps. Okay. Squat. That was exhausting. I only did like 4. Oh my gosh. Legs on fire. 15. Almost there. Great job. Okay. Hurdle sprints. So 8 high knees, then jump over. Keep it up. Abs tight. 20 seconds. Less than 10. 5. Good job. Okay. Quick knees. Quick knees. Okay. 4 each side. Switch. Exhausted. Seconds. 15. Almost there. Okay. 3 side jump lunges. or 4 set jump lunges, 8 sprints. Let's do 8. 8 and 8. Seconds. Oh my gosh. Great job. Okay, now you're done with the HIIT. You just have a 3-minute burnout. 3 minutes, then you're done. Okay, this 3-minute countdown is gonna be really intense, but it's only 3 minutes, so don't get too scared. So we're doing 3 tuck jumps over, 8 sprints, 8 mountain climbers, 8 jump lunges, 3 tuck jumps back. So see how many rounds of that you can get in 3 minutes. The round begins with the tuck jumps, ends with your last jump lunge. All right, let's not stall anymore. Here we go. 8 sprints, 8 mountain climbers, 8 jump lunges. 8. 3 tuck jumps back. 8 sprints. 8 mountain climbers. 8 jump lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, go at your own pace. If you can go faster than me, go faster. You've done 1 minute and 20 seconds. More than halfway done. 35 seconds. Keep it going. Push. You're almost there. 10 seconds. Speed it up if you can. Good job. All right, some love. Keep it moving. That was 45 minutes of crazy Millionaire Hoy inspired full body death. Okay. Alright, so make sure you drink some more water and then come back for the stretch. Oh, I should do a fist bump. Wait, he does that at the end, so we'll wait on that. I'll give you a high 10. Nice job. Okay, so get a drink, come right back for the stretch. You made it. Alright, nice job. You made it through that tough workout. Alright, so we're going to start out with a hip flexor stretch. Lunge one leg back, tilt your hips forward. So comment below what you thought of that workout. Next we're going to do a hamstring stretch. So swing your back leg forward and hang over. After this we're going to stretch out our quad on this side. Then figure four, and then we're switching it over to the other leg. All right, figure four. Alright, other side with the hip flexor stretch, lunge it back. So which section was your favorite? Which part was hardest? I think anything with tuck jumps is hardest for me. Next, hamstring stretch on this leg. Now a quad stretch. Whew. I thought overall it went pretty fast. A lot faster than when I'm doing one of his workouts. Filming it for some reason went pretty fast. Let me know if it went fast for you guys. Figure four. Okay, that's it. Great job. Thanks for working out with me. Be sure to subscribe. Like the video if you liked it. Share with anyone you know that wants to get in great shape from home, doesn't want to pay for a gym membership. And comment below what you thought of that workout, what types of workouts you want to see in the future. And I'll see you next week. I record a workout every Sunday. So, fist bump time. Nice job, guys. Bam.